Guys, it's 9:30. I can't remember the last time I slept till 9:30. It's probably been years. But I slept good last night. I slept real good. Sun's coming up. Our sun's up. It's beating down on me pretty good right now, so get up, get some breakfast going, see what the day brings. See y'all in a little bit. Mama's still sleeping good. There she was, looking out here in this camera beat. Now she's fish with me. Got us a good breeze this morning, guys. Sure it ain't gonna stay all day, but man, it feels good out here right now. Try to get some breakfast cooked up, and then maybe try to catch a catfish this morning, and then we're gonna get packed up and head out. Alright guys, we're gonna get this fire started for breakfast this morning, and then again we got our cotton balls. See how well that works. Should work really well. Here. See if I can do it like Boogie did last night. Yes sir. Don't take many, you just gotta get it pointed in the right way. Again, this birch bark burns as good as that, better than them cotton balls. You just shred it up little bitty pieces. You probably could do the same thing with it with the cotton balls. It catches up very quickly. All right, we got the water on, boiling for Mama's coffee. We're gonna mix it up for her. If y'all remember back to the trip in the Okefenokee, I made her coffee the first time using this powdered coffee, and I put 3 heaping tablespoons in there. And this time, she only wants that much. So we're gonna try it with that. We can add her some more if she needs it, but she said the last one was good, but it was a little strong, she said, and she likes the stevia. How many of these, Mama? 3 stevias.
A bunch of creamer.
And she likes more creamer than she does coffee. There, and then we got some powdered creamer this time. It's a little bit easier to tote around than that liquid stuff. We're gonna put one big, oh, I'm sorry, we're gonna put 2 big. I'm sorry, we're gonna put 3 big. She said, she's over here on the side whispering, more. We're gonna put 3 big heapings. So like I said, she likes her coffee with creamer. Not her, she likes her creamer with coffee, I reckon I should say, not her coffee with creamer. This hand is probably gonna be hot. Not that bad. Get it poured up in here for her. Well, if I can hit the hole. Oh, this morning looked more like coffee than it does hot chocolate.
Ooh, that's way too hot.
Hold on, Mama. I want to get your reaction on camera.
Yeah, but I can't drink it. It's too hot. It's like boiling. It's boiling hot.
All right, Mama. Tell me how that coffee tastes.
Okay.
Better than last
Oh
time?
my God, much better than last time. I can probably drink the whole thing now.
Awesome. All right. 1 level tablespoon versus 3. 3
That's definitely-
heaping tablespoons of creamer and 3 stevias. As for breakfast this morning, we're going to take our leftover we had from last night, rice and eggs, or rice and sausage and tomatoes. Still looks pretty good. We're going to add it to this cast iron pot. Get it all out there. Got a little bit of bacon in there. Gonna do that. And we're gonna crack 3 eggs in there, maybe 4. I think they're good.
No good?
I think they're good. These is eggs for my chickens that I raise and get. That's 3. We're gonna put 1 more.
I've been very thankful that we don't have to buy eggs.
And then that's the 4th one. He saved Boogie 2. He don't like the tomatoes, so we're gonna make his a little different. We're just gonna do him a sausage and egg wrap as he eats breakfast, but he may not even eat breakfast. You know how them teenagers are. All right, we're gonna get that all mixed up there. We're gonna put it on the fire till the eggs get done, and then we're gonna have one heck of a breakfast. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, I could feed a couple more. That look good? Put it on the fire. It's cooking right on up there. All right, guys, I think it's done. We're gonna pull it off and get set up and eat. All right, let's plate it up. See how it works. How good it is. Ooh, the handle's hot still. I'm gonna take half and I'm gonna leave half for Boogie. Oh yeah, it cooked up perfect. Cooked up perfect. It's a little hot, but it's got a really good flavor to it. Some tomatoes in there and onions and peppers. They give it a different flavor. With them eggs. Eggs and rice and sausage was a staple that we grew up on. I grew up on, and then my kids grew up on. This has got a little bit difference with it, with them tomatoes in it and onions, peppers, and link sausage instead of ground sausage, but it's really good. All right, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. Turn off this video for a minute and then see what we're gonna do next. See y'all in a bit. He thinks they're just fishing. Loaded up. All right, we're loaded up. Boogie's pushing us out. He's gonna get his.
Running. Oh wow, now you're running faster. Okay, I'm gonna go get it.
Say hey, Boog.
Hey.
Say hey, Mama.
Hey.
Look at that tree. That's pretty neat. That's 2 right angles. Pretty neat. And what do I see there? Do I see that sandbar? That's the takeout. That's what we're getting out at. A little spot right there to be camp. We like to stay on the Georgia side, and that's the Florida side. There's our takeout. Pretty good little hill right there. We're going to have to walk all this stuff up. Mama's got the legs for it. Coming in fast. Coming in fast, people. And home. And there comes Bug.
I'm gonna come around right here.
Yep. You good? Come on. All right, we're loaded up. Hoog's doing a canoe trip on the trailer. Mama's on the 4-wheeler. We're fixing to head home. See y'all in a bit. boat me home. Was it fun?
Bumpy.
How about the whole trip? Did you have a good time?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. How about you, Mama?
I'm happy to be home. Fun trip.
Hi guys, we thank y'all for joining us this week on Blackwater Outdoor Journeys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Any recommendations or comments, please drop them below. If not, we'll see y'all next week. Have a good day. Thank you for watching Blackwater Outdoor Journeys. I hope you enjoyed our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Have a good day. Thank you for watching Blackwater Outdoor Journeys. I hope you enjoyed our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Have a good day.